Video for an unboxing, but just we want to share with you the experience we had with this product we bought at the mall, the South Coast Plaza, because we will return it, so we won't really be transparent with you. We are not satisfied. Sometimes you can have this inconvenient experience even when you buy in the fancy brands stores. So let's go. So we got this amazing shopping bag from the collection Game of Vuitton, so multicolor monogram with this heart, and the other side is the same multicolor, and you have also the, I don't remember the name for that, but yeah, it's two different color, black and red. So I showed you the product we bought, so you have all the time the same box, the orange box from Vuitton. And I'll show you. Ta-da! So for the meantime, all is perfect. Maybe you will not be agree on that, like you will not think the same opinion for this item, but yeah, we really have a problem with that. So you have this two shoes inside, and you have also for the cordon, you know, for replace the cordon for the shoes. I think I don't remember the name. So this is the shoes. They are super nice like that. No, don't get me wrong. This is the canvas of Louis Vuitton, the black version with the initials. You have a little of leather on the border here, Louis Vuitton Paris. Even inside it's nice. You have the border with the logo too on this side, not the other one. Yeah. So I show you what's the problem with these shoes. I try to use it in my room, just walking a little, and because the canvas, it's cotton tissue covered by PVC, so PVC it's plastic. When you try to walk, it's like doing the sound like quick, 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 like really like bad quality of shoes. And even this cordon, you can see it's not even protected by plastic, so it's look really like cheap, like bad quality. Honestly, it's like the shoes you can find on the market, or I don't know. And for the price, for personally, I don't accept to pay this amount for this quality. So you can see also here, it's not really clear. It's like already like it's looking like used, even if I didn't wear it, you know. And when you stay a few seconds in these shoes, because it's full plastic, you start to sweat, like it's like a worm, you know. So yeah, and you don't even have leather in full inside. Look, it's just like a tissue with plastic. So even here, inside of the number of the rate of the size, it's just full tissue with plastic. So it's really like you can listen also the sound. It's like that when you walk. So I hate personally. And the price, it's $700. So I think you will be agree on that. Like when you spend $700, you don't want to have this type of sound, or to feel like super hot inside, and this type of quality, like it's okay. For me, it's need to be or good or no. So you will think like, why I didn't realize that when I was buying. It's like because for all of us, we have the attraction of the brand, like, oh, it's Louis Vuitton, so for sure it will be good. But apparently not. I was just captivated by the canvas, like, oh yeah, it will be so cool to have it. And in conclusion, it's looked like really like cheap. For me, I like also Nike, and I will put Nike more here than Vuitton for this sneakers. So yeah, so we will return it at the Louis Vuitton store, and yeah, so hopefully they will refund us, or else we will have just a voucher. But I prefer to buy something different than to just have that and to stay with that, like not really convinced. So yeah, so we wanted just to share this experience with you, because I think the sense of YouTube is not just to be showing off like all is magical, all is perfect. You know, also the French guy, we have the critical aspect of the things. Sometimes we complain a lot. We are like with the image, like we are with protest all the time, like unsatisfied of the life. Maybe it's part of our character or the culture, I don't know. I have it too. So yeah, when I like something, I like it, but when I don't like it, no. So that's my decision. I will return the shoes. So I will show you the experience we have, if the store will be nice with us, like to give us satisfaction easily, and like that you can know also if you have a bad experience for an item, you can return it without a lot of problems, hopefully. So we will go tonight at the mall, and when we publish this video, it will be already like 2 days probably after to do it. So hopefully all will be good, and yeah, bye bye. So thank you guys for to watch this video on the channel of Carlo&Seb. Hopefully you will not forget to put the likes and to comment this video, and to put the notification bell for receive the new ones if you are not subscribed already. So hopefully you will appreciate this video. I did it by myself without Carlo because he's at work. So yeah, I'll try also to practice more and more my English with all the videos. Hopefully I'm going to progress, and yeah, bye bye.
We're gonna go to South Coast Plaza to return this bad boy. Are you happy?
Yeah.